What up, guys? How are you? You good? I'm good. Like I'm happy now. So my previous video, the one which I uploaded, I don't know when I'll upload this, but the video which I uploaded on Thursday, the one which I was reacting to Mars and Rose, but that video where I complained about my setup. But today I got a chance to prepare everything. I'll give you a vlog and show you like how my setup is set. It's set it up. So today I'm smiling and I'm clean. So like I fixed my setup and I put the camera nice. You see, you can even see the lighting, right? I'm happy. So also I'm happy because I'm doing a new content today. I'm doing a new content that I thought of or I was thinking about for weeks or months. Then today while I was bathing, then it came to me like, oh, let's do it this way. So let's do it this way. So this content is supposed to be on Sweet Sound Family YouTube channel, but nah, it's mine. This one, I own this one. Sweet Sound Family will get to own the one for like the behind the scenes of it, then but I get to own this thing I'm doing. So what we're doing, it's I'm gonna be with this new, I don't know what to call it, because so far PhiLander React, PhiLander Create, and PhiLander Vlogs. I think this one will be PhiLander React, PhiLander Create, I think. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna be showing you how I produced so and so tracks, how I produced this song, and how I mix and master it, or how I worked on this project as a whole. But most of the songs will be based on Sweet Sound of the ones which I worked on. So today, our first song, it's Make It Easy by Sweet Sound Musiq featuring Scholtz GodMc, Lula Creez, Legendary, and me, myself, and I. But me, PhiLander, not me, myself, and I feel like it's an artist. So I'm gonna be showing you how I produced the track, how I made the beat, and how it was mixed and mastered, and how I did all of those stuff. So so far you can check out the video on Sweet Sound Family channel. I think I'll put it somewhere here. I haven't learned how to use the cards. It's either this side or this side. So check out the card here and go and check out the video of like the studio session when we were recording the track, and also I'll give you like how the track came about, but still the video will drop of how the track came about. So without wasting any time, let's get down to it. So firstly, like I'll tell you how the song came about. So most of these songs where it's like they don't have an owner, it's just like Sweet Sound Musiq featuring the group of guys or the group of girls on that track. It's because like you find like we're chilling in the studio now. I'm not looking at the camera, by the way. I'm using front camera, so I'm looking at myself. If I look at the camera to be like this, you see right now like I'm looking at you straight. You can't go anywhere, I'm seeing you, but I'll be looking like this, then I'll try to get to see what happens. So anyways, with the track, like most of these tracks, like when we're chilling in the studio and we say, yo man, let's make a track, then that's where like the idea now start to, we brainstorm the idea or what kind of track are we making and all those kind of stuff. So this one, we recorded it, I think we recorded it on the 19th of August last year. So it's been a year and some few days. So yeah, we're just chilling. It was me, Lula, and Scholtz GodMc. We're chilling, then say, okay, let me make a beat, let's make a song. Only the three of us. Legendary was not there yet. Then I made the beat, made the beat. Then now we chill, we say, yo, let's come up with an idea. There is a video in Sweet Sound Family. You'll see the video where we're coming up with the idea of the song, how it started. Then we thought of the idea. Then we got the idea that is Make It Easy. Then save the beat as Make It Easy. Then while we were recording the hook, Legendary comes in and said, I want to be on the verse. Then we added him on the verse. Then the rest was history. So let me just show you how I made the beat. Then the first thing I worked on the beat is a sample. I used the sample. I won't pretend and say I made everything from scratch. Nope. I used a melody sample, here, or a melody from Cymatics Oracle Dark Melody Loop number 17. So I have a lot of them from Cymatics. Like this was during the period of like when I made it beat, like when I downloaded the melodies. I was in the period of like being lazy to make melodies on my own. Then I just downloaded loops. Like, yeah, man, I'll just make kicks. I can't make melodies, but now I'm good. I make fire melodies. So these are the melody sound. So yeah, I didn't change anything on it, just left the way it is. I just added the fruity parametric, then cut the low ends, remove the low ends, and just like they left it like that. But I'm cool with it. Then I use another loop for a hi-hat. So I like that, like it plays in the background, like it's like there at the back. They didn't add any effect, just left it the way it is with the loop. So let me just then just balance them, you know, those mixing, just balance the two. Then that's the melody done. Nothing changed from there on. Then I just come to the 808 is titled "Fuck You." So it sounds like this now. So with the 808, I just parametric EQ, then remove the lows, then boosted it here in the mids. I don't know if this is the mids or what, but somewhere here in the mids, boosted here just to have it like on the phone or laptop speaker, so that you can hear the bass. Did only that. Then the kick is just the same stack as the 808, but the difference it's here. The kick and the 808, it's the same stack, or they're on the same pattern and all that. Snare, easy just like that. Then a clap, that's the only difference with it. Then a hi-hat, just a simple hi-hat pattern. Then on the effects, just added a stereo enhancer, just put it I like to use this one. I like to use this one for strings, which is like panning left and right, as you can hear. Just did that only, and then have like another clap, and add the rolling hi-hat. Like from it, like it goes with the melody, how the melody sounds like and all that. Then all together they sound like this. The rest of the magic, it was on balancing them, knowing like how loud is this, how loud this should be, how loud this should be. So yeah, then at the end, like this is the hook part. Then on the verse are only like same, just intro of the verse, just remove this hi-hat loop. That's the only element which like differentiates the hook and the verse. Then I have this part where like I took this melody and made it faster, then it sounds like this. It's the same melody as that one, I just like made it faster, then made it to sound like this. You can see here, like I just made it faster, the time. Just like a thing which we love doing when we're busy dancing, playing this on like, oh, this is fire. So yeah, with that in mind, then I came and added my tag. So this tag is the one where like King Tyra said, "Philly, you got me right." I'll make a video where I explain all these tags of mine. So here's my tag. So this tag is this one. Then I cut that part, then comes this one.
Philly, you got me right.
Then yeah, the rest is history. Then the track, the beats.
Philly, you got me right.
So I made this beat on the spot, like the same day we recorded the track. So we're just chilling in my room. Then they'll be like, yo, let's make a track since we all here together. So I think they were in my room just to like finish up the project which we worked on. When we're done, then it's like, oh, let me make a beat and we make a track. Then I'm like, okay, oh, sharp. Then I open FL Studio. So while I was making this beat, definitely the guys were like telling me, like, yo, fix here, and all that. So I won't fully take the credit alone and say I made all this beat alone and all this kind of stuff. So the guys were helping me then there. Then yeah, after the beat was made, then we just played it on FL Studio before I saved it. Okay, I think I saved it. Yeah, I saved it already. We know him because Lula is the one who comes with the hooks all of the time. If you can watch the video where the behind the scenes of the track, you can see that it's Lula who came up with the hook. Then it was like, then we end up with Make It Easy. Then we save it as Sweet Sound Musiq, Make It Easy. Then we write the hooks and the verses. And Legendary came in. Then we added his verse. Then we found like now we have 4 verses which we all share the verses. So yeah, that's how I made the beat for Make It Easy. Stay tuned for part 2 of like how I mixed and mastered the track. From me,